Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Not only are these knives super functional, but they are a beautiful set of knives that you can use in your kitchen all the time. This is a beautiful set from GOODA, and I really love all of the different functions of the knives as well as the knife block. The block itself is very pretty. It's made out of a durable, sturdy wood, and you can see that it has that beautiful white at the ends with the bamboo look in the middle. The knife set itself comes with 5 steak knives, and then you also get a bread knife, 2 nice big cutting knives that are great for cutting up vegetables and for meats. And I really love the paring knife as well because it's very sharp and very easy to use, but it really is great for when you're cutting up small things. These knives are all made out of a stainless steel. They're very easy to wash, and I always hand wash all of my knives, which really helps them to last longer. The steak knives themselves are nice and sharp and easy to use. They have a nice grippable handle, and you can see that they're all made with that beautiful white material that makes it really easy to use them. I actually wanted to get this knife set for my parents. It's really tempting to not keep it for myself just because it's super pretty, but they definitely could use the new knives, so I'm looking forward to giving it to them knowing that they'll have a great knife set. But that's just my point of view.